We're over here coming to the print shop, and look at what we find. A Cobra. Beautiful. Beautiful Shelby. It's signed too. That's crazy. That's a beauty right there. The Corvette. I love the fact that it is signed by the man himself. That's crazy. That's so cool. Seeing this out here, just going to the print shop, we're able to see this beauty part. Just amazing. Got a Corvette. Oh, with the T-Bird glass tops. And the pop-up headlights. Those things look pretty cool, man. Pop-up headlights. Super cool. Love seeing different type of cars. This is a body shop complex in our same section. So all these different type of cars are getting done that are crashed. BMW X3. This is definitely a total. Another BMW, Lexus. Got these guys here that have nothing but old school Beamers. That 325 is pretty sick right there, actually. It's just hard. We got the other homie right here. This was funny as hell. Let's see if he's here. ¡Ey! ¿Qué estás haciendo?
Aquí lijándole.
¡Ey! Es un otro not for show.
It's not for show, papá.
It's not for show. Got the BMW up here. Check out this BMW. Can't get really a good shot of it. I got a 56 Bel Air down here. Got a retro mod truck. ¿Cuál año es este?
Esa es una 49.
49. It's a 49 Chevy. And it's not for show, Papa. Not for show. And then you got a Mustang.
67.
67. Fastback?
Yeah. This is the fastback.
Yeah, fastback. Some good cars. Guys, check this out. At this shop here, he actually has a custom booth curtain. So for no overspray on the other cars. So what he does is he closes this off, closes it all off, shuts the door, and able to paint in this material. It's pretty thick here so you have no overspray go into the other cars at all. It's actually really smart to be able to not have for a small shop like this, so you don't have a paint booth. And then he actually has his filters here and can actually turn it on, so he actually takes out all the paint. That's pretty creative. He's over here ballooning it up, making sure it's all straight, making sure that tub is really intact on that car. He's over here. Look at this LS2. Got another frame off right here. Got that. Got this Harley. Getting some clear on the bumper. Today we're at Valencia Collision Center. They're gonna be wrapping my 1964 Impala today. We're gonna go and see her get wrapped fully done. This is their shop right here. And my car is inside the booth. Here's my car in the booth. She's shining bright. Check out that rear differential. Now we're wrapping the bumper, front bumper, back bumper, side moldings, gold. This is for a special project that the car is going to that you guys will see later on. Did a little test run right there to get approval. Using the supplies to clean the back grill. This is the piece what we're going to be using right now to do the sections. So right now we're getting this small piece done. He's getting this done for the car. So this whole back bumper is definitely gonna be gold here with the gold accents that I already have with all the engraving. The first piece is done, so you can see how clean that is. Starting to look like what it needs to look like. Day 2 of getting this done. So the homie came through, CJ, that we're doing his car. He actually has an extra set of gold rims that we're gonna go pick up for the 64 that is gonna go on production shoot. Shout out CJ, because this definitely helped me out and saved a lot of headaches instead of me trying to go find some gold rims. So I definitely appreciate that. We're gonna actually go pick it up, go say hi to a friend, and go shoot some more videos today. So right here we're at old school MacGyver from Prohopper from back in the day. We're at his shop right now, and we are getting to borrow the rims of that 57 at my shop that are there. I want to thank CJ and MacGyver from Stealth Motorworks, ex Prohopper, for letting me borrow the gold rims to use for my 64 Impala for next week for the big project, guys. Thank you guys so much. The 64 getting some touch-ups done. The painting booth right now. This is my engine on my 1964 Impala. Check out my engravings here. Impala SS. And then I got my last name on the right side. Now the rims I just showed you will be placed on my car here to match all my chrome gold, sorry about that, gold moldings. Check out the wrap that is on here. Definitely is crazy, man. Loving it, how it came out for the production it's gonna be in. And it's gonna be exciting when I post it down and show you what this is becoming. So exciting for this. Look at that gold, how it sits on the car.